Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Hadley in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Wisteria model designer home offered at $359,900. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Hadley in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Wisteria model designer home that is wood framed. The front of this home does face southeast and the back of the home faces northwest. This house does not have a bond on it. I will take a view of the street. Panning to my left, that is panning south. And this is panning north. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice it has a 2-car garage. It is a wood-framed home. It has a very deep setback as well. The concrete driveway seems to be in very good order. As I mentioned before, the bond is paid. If you have any questions about this home, please contact either your showing agent, Deanna Oglesby, or Erica Jacobs. As I walk up to the front of this home, the concrete pathway is in very good condition. It does have a storm door in the front of this home. The roof seems to be in very good condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is the tile floors in the foyer. It has a very large and spacious living room area that does have carpeted floors. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture as well. And it has a very large lanai area. Off to the left, you do see a kitchen area with the same tile floors continuing. Wood cabinets, Formica countertops. It has a 2-bowl stainless sink. It has an electric stove as well. And you do have a dinette area here in that kitchen area as well, located in the front of the home. You do have a lot of cabinets in this home, recessed lighting as well. This space is light and bright, as you can see. Off to the left of the kitchen area, you will see your garage area. This is your garage. It is a 2-car garage. It has some shoving units in that garage as well. Concrete floor seems to be in very good condition. It has raised panel doors. That is where your utility closet will be. You do have some wire rack shelves off in the corner there as well. This home seems to be in very good condition. Let's go back into the front of this home and see what the rest of this home has to offer. These Wisteria models are one of the most popular models in the Villages. They are a split bedroom design. Off to the right, you do have a guest living area. It does have a sliding pocket door that you can close to give your guests privacy. It is carpeted floors in the hallway and in the bedrooms. This is a guest bedroom located in the front of the home. Neutrally painted. It has raised panel bifold doors as well. This home is located fairly close to Lake Sumter Landing. Probably a 10 or 15 minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter Landing. Off to the right, you do see a guest bathroom with tile floors. It has 1 sink, wood cabinets, Formica countertops, knockdown textured ceiling. It does have a window in that shower area. That is a tile surround in that shower right there. It does have a tub as well. This home is in very good condition. Off to the back of the home, you do see another guest bedroom with carpeted floors, neutral paint. We'll turn around and show you. It does have bifold doors on the closet right there. Very clean house. That is your Lanai area in the back of the home. The back of this home does face southwest. And you do see a very large Lanai concrete floor, very good condition. You do have an outside patio area as well. Let's take a look at what the patio looks like out here. This patio is in very good condition. This is your backyard. You do have privacy, a privacy hedge right there. That is your side yard of that home. That is facing east. That is your roof line there, friends. Let's go in the rest of this into the home and show you the primary bedroom area. Let's walk into that home and look at the primary bedroom area. Here we are back in the living area. I'll give you a panoramic view of this living area as well. Very high ceilings. Off to the right, you do see the primary bedroom area. The hallway does have carpet. That primary bedroom is located in the back of the home. It has carpeted floors and knockdown textured ceilings. Very clean home. We'll walk into that primary bathroom next. Neutral paint on this home as well. Here is the primary bathroom. It does have tile floors, 2 sinks, wood cabinets, Formica countertops. There you have it. It does have a walk-in Roman shower. That is nice. That's the uniqueness of these Wisteria models. That is a tile shower as well. Right there's your Roman shower. Very nice. It does have a separate commode space right there with a window. That is your window. Here's your linen closet on your primary bathroom right there. That's your linen closet. This bathroom does have a sliding pocket door on it as well. Next, I'll walk into that laundry area. That laundry area does have tiled floors. It has wood cabinets there as well. That is nice. It has a sink. It even has bifold doors here as well. Very nice closet. And that's another reason why these Wisteria models are very popular here in the Villages, Florida. I will video the specification sheet to give you the particulars of this home. As always, please contact Deanna Oglesby. That is her contact information. This home is located at 2274 Hackney Way in the Villages. List price $359,900. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. It is a Wisteria. It's in the Village of Hadley. Bond is paid. And that is the particulars of this home. I will turn it over to show you the specification sheet on the back, right there. Next, I will walk out into the street. I will show you what the street looks like. Give you a last panoramic view of this home. Very nice location, very near Lake Sumter Landing. Very popular Wisteria model home. That is the view of the home as you walk out. Very nice, very quiet street. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will show you the home one last time. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Wisteria model designer home in the village of Hadley. No bond, wood-framed home, list price $359,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Hadley, in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Wisteria model home is offered at $359,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.